Hey guys, it's your friendly neighborhood tech guy coming to you with a brand new video on how to set time on the DSC alarm system. Today we're going to be using the DSC 1862 panel with a RF5501 keypad. Before we get into the video, please remember to subscribe, hit the like button. Also, don't forget to leave your comments down below. Setting time is very simple. The first thing you need to do is make sure your keypad is not in programming. This can be done by pressing the pound sign twice. After that, you go into time programming, which can be done by pressing *6, then your master code. The master code at default is 1, 2, 3, 4. Always remember, guys, on DSC systems, the default master code is 1, 2, 3, 4. After entering your master code, you need to press 1. So let's put that all together. Now, we're going to press *6, your master code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if your system master code was previously changed, then you enter that code. Then press 1. And the time. My time right now is 11:47. So we're gonna do 1147. Then press pound twice to exit programming. So your time should be displayed on the keypad now, showing 11:47. Now if you're gonna enter the time, and let's say it's from 1 to 9, you're gonna need to put a 0 in front of the number. So let's say it's 1 o'clock. We're gonna go over it now. It's gonna be *6, then 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna press 1, then 0, 1, 0, 0. Then you always press pound twice to exit programming. Your time should be displaying 1 o'clock now. Now guys, right after you finish programming your time, just remember to hit the pound button twice. If you don't, it will exit the programming mode a few minutes after. But to make sure you immediately exit the programming mode, ensure to hit the pound button twice. Okay guys, this is the end of the video on how to set time on the DSC alarm system. If you haven't subscribed as yet, ensure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Leave your comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and please look out for the next video.